I have already applied one coat of Peace Catseye Gel Polish that I have cured for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Apply a second thin coat but do not cure. Thin application of your Catseye Gel Polish, and any gel polish for that matter, is absolutely paramount to avoid any peeling or bubbling such as this, where the product will not be fully cured. For curing, take your magnet. This one has two sides, the larger rectangular side which will push the product into the middle, giving a shooting star effect. Hold the magnet as close as possible without touching and hold for 5 to 10 seconds and you will see the product moving. The other side of this magnet has a cat's eye, more circular effect. In this video I am showing you how you can keep moving around the product until you're happy to create different kinds of effects. If you aren't satisfied with the effect, take your gel polish, because the product isn't yet cured, brush and smooth over and redo. Design, I'm going to show you that you don't always have to use a traditional shaped magnet. Hold the flower shaped magnet as close as possible without touching for 5 to 10 seconds. If I turn this to the side, you can see how close that I am holding the magnet, again without touching. You need to hold it this close for the product to be able to move. With this design, I'm going to show you that you don't have to use just one colour of Cat's Eye Gel Polish. For the base, I am using myrrh and applying one thin coat and curing for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. I am then applying gold, frankincense and myrrh gel polish colours randomly on the nail. Take the magnet and create a design as you wish and move the different colours around. Keep doing this until you're happy, and you can use different shape magnets to create the effect that you want. A great tip that I picked up from my fab friend Amy Masters is drawing in your Cat's Eye Gel Polish. Take a dotting tool to create your design before the product is cured. For the final design, I have already cured a black gel polish and I'm now applying a gold Cat's Eye Gel Polish over the top. I'm applying this quite thinly because I want the black to show through. Take your chosen magnet and follow the same techniques as the earlier designs. Take your dotting tool and follow the previous design, and creating a swirling movement, I am wiping through the gel to create a Christmas tree effect. And no Christmas tree is complete without topping it with a Swarovski star.